What makes a car truly reliable? Not the marketing brochure, not the showroom presentation. The real answer comes from the owners who put 200,000, 300,000, and 400,000 miles on a vehicle and report back on what actually happened. Consumer Reports surveys more than 380,000 vehicle owners every single year. J.D. Power tracks long-term dependability across hundreds of thousands of vehicles in real-world use. RepairPal documents annual maintenance costs and repair frequency across every major model on the American market. When you combine all of that data and look at which vehicles consistently rise to the top across every source, across every decade, and across every type of driver, 6 cars come up again and again. These are not opinions. This is what the data says. Car number 1, the Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is the best-selling car in America for more than 20 consecutive years. That is not a coincidence. Taxi fleets worldwide use the Camry as their vehicle of choice specifically because it can accumulate several 100,000 miles without requiring major mechanical work, and taxi operators have zero tolerance for vehicles that need expensive repairs. Consumer Reports has ranked the Camry as one of its top recommended vehicles consistently, with predicted reliability ratings above average across multiple consecutive generations. The Camry's reputation rests on 2 things. First, Toyota's engineering philosophy, which prioritizes incremental improvement over dramatic redesigns, minimizing the first-year reliability risks that plague vehicles that are completely redesigned. Second, the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that powers the majority of Camrys, a straightforward, proven powertrain with no exotic technology and decades of real-world durability data behind it. RepairPal documents the Toyota Camry's average annual repair cost at $388, one of the lowest in the mid-size sedan category. Car number 2, the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic holds a remarkable distinction. Of the roughly 1% of all vehicles in operation that last beyond 200,000 miles, 2.3% of them are Honda Civics. That is a disproportionately high survival rate for a compact car that has been sold at mainstream price points since 1972. Over 50 million Civics have been sold worldwide, making it one of the best-selling vehicles in automotive history. The Civic's reliability comes from Honda's focus on what engineers call robust design, building components with tolerances that accommodate real-world variation rather than optimistic lab conditions. The result is a car that handles neglect, varying maintenance schedules, different climates, and different fuel qualities better than most of its competitors. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Civic above average or well above average in predicted reliability. Annual repair costs average approximately $368 according to RepairPal, the lowest in its class. Car number 3, the Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling car in automotive history. More than 50 million Corollas have been sold globally since 1966. And unlike some high-volume vehicles whose reputation outpaces their actual reliability, the Corolla's record is documented and consistent. Consumer Reports has given the Corolla above-average reliability scores across virtually every generation. The Corolla is the second most reliable model in the UK's 2024 FN50 Fleet Survey, which tracks breakdowns and warranty claims across more than 1.33 million vehicles operated by the country's 50 largest leasing companies in the United States. Some Corolla owners are still driving models from the 1990s as daily commuters. The engineering behind this is straightforward. Toyota uses a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with no turbocharging, no cylinder deactivation, and no start-stop system in the base configuration, eliminating the most common sources of modern engine complexity-related failures. Car number 4, the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has become one of the most popular compact SUVs in America, and its reliability data matches its sales numbers. Consumer Reports consistently rates the CR-V above average in reliability, and its owners report one of the highest satisfaction rates in the compact SUV segment. RepairPal rates the CR-V's annual repair cost at approximately $407, below the compact SUV average of $521, and documents a lower-than-average frequency of unscheduled repair visits compared to its competitors. The CR-V's long-term reliability reputation comes from Honda's proven 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engines, both well-documented powertrains with large owner communities and established independent mechanic familiarity across the country. Parts availability for the CR-V is excellent at every price tier, and its straightforward suspension design keeps maintenance costs predictable over high mileage. Car number 5, the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is the entry point into a brand that Consumer Reports has ranked first or second in long-term reliability among all car brands for multiple consecutive years. Lexus and Toyota share engineering platforms and manufacturing standards, and Lexus adds a layer of pre-delivery quality inspection that Toyota engineers themselves describe as the most rigorous in the industry. The RX is frequently tested and refined before it moves from the production line to the showroom. Consumer Reports gives the RX above-average reliability ratings, and J.D. Power has awarded the Lexus LX its top reliability award in recent surveys. For buyers who want a premium SUV without the reliability compromise that accompanies most European luxury brands, the Lexus RX represents the clearest choice the data supports. Annual repair costs for the Lexus RX average approximately $551, significantly lower than comparable German luxury SUVs that routinely exceed $1,000 per year in maintenance costs. Car number 6, the Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is the most underrated reliability story in the American car market. Consumer Reports rates it above average in predicted reliability. RepairPal documents its average annual repair cost at approximately $433, significantly below the compact car average, with a lower-than-average frequency of severe repairs. Mazda as a brand ranked third among all manufacturers in Consumer Reports' long-term reliability survey, behind only Lexus and Toyota, and ahead of Honda, Subaru, and every European and American manufacturer. The Mazda 3's reliability comes from Mazda's SkyActiv engineering philosophy, a commitment to extracting maximum efficiency from naturally aspirated engines without adding turbochargers, superchargers, or complex hybrid systems that introduce additional failure points. The result is a compact car that combines genuine driving engagement with a simplicity of design that independent mechanics find straightforward to maintain and repair at any mileage. Here is the pattern that connects all 6 of these vehicles. Toyota, Honda, Lexus, and Mazda share a common engineering philosophy that Consumer Reports described precisely: conservative redesigns, incremental improvement across the entire product line, and a preference for proven technology over headline-generating innovation. The brands that top every long-term reliability survey are not the brands with the most impressive press release specifications. They are the brands that prioritize the engineering discipline of making proven things better rather than introducing new complexity for its own sake. These 6 cars are the result of that discipline applied consistently over decades. If you are buying a car in 2026 and reliability is your primary criteria, the data has already answered the question. If this breakdown helped you make a better decision, hit like and subscribe for more real car knowledge with no manufacturer spin. See you in the next one.